Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Avengers Endgame end credits updated. Start by assembling your footage, official logos, and a verified credit list, then set a clear pacing plan for the sequence. Choose readable fonts, consistent spacing, and color contrast to maintain legibility. Use a non-distracting background and subtle motion to keep eyes engaged. Export a draft, review names carefully, and prepare for music synchronization to ensure timing lines up with key moments. Choose a clean layout with readable fonts, consistent margins, and balanced line spacing to honor each credit entry. Opt for a vertical scroll or time slates that match the film's emotion, and keep motion minimal so names remain legible. Align credits centrally or left based on logo placement, and use colors sparingly to highlight key roles. Test on multiple screens to ensure clear visibility and comfortable reading speed for all viewers. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing updates and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfy marathon edits and fewer distractions. It's a small upgrade that makes long sessions nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Set a comfortable scroll speed so names are readable without pausing, typically matching 3 to 5 seconds per credit block. Lock text positions using guides and export with high bitrate to keep edges sharp on big screens. Replace placeholder names with final credits before final render and run a proofing pass to catch typos. Finally, test the sync between music and visual cues to make sure each credit lands naturally with the score.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.